Hey, Bola here, and you guys, this is Rainbow Star. She is one of my seed bead art kits by MiBolaLoca, and we basically take a flat surface. In this case, it's a hexagon piece of wood. We take a series of 11O seed beads in various colors and some Wonder Wax, which is a beeswax pine pitch art wax that I do make myself in my house, and I do have both of these available in my Etsy shop if you are so inclined to take a look at them. So basically what you'll do is you'll find the center of your surface, and then you will start to apply your beads according to the pattern. And typically you'll start working from the inside out, so you can see here that that letter J, that pink bead, is the centermost bead in the pattern. And then you'll work around in circles, basically, working around to the next level, which is all black beads. Those letter A are black beads. And then you'll continue to place your beads in the pattern. We use what is called a bead awl to place those beads onto that surface. And then once your beads are all onto your surface, you can seal with a clear gloss sealer, whether it's a spray paint or something like Mod Podge, or I like to use Liquid Fusion Clear Glue. But yeah, these are really fun projects. They make really beautiful pieces of artwork that you can hang. You can use it as a coaster, whatever you would like. You can make it a decoration or an ornament for your Christmas tree even. But you guys, these are so much fun, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. But I will let you just enjoy watching the rest of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and consider following me if you're not already. And I'll catch you in the next video. Love you, bye!